Hey guys, today I am going to be trying out this thing that you can use for like your voices. There's like a squeaky mouse one and like a bossy one. My friend Melina has some of that, and I was like figuring out maybe I could try that for like a short. Don't forget to subscribe to Melina and Romy JC Clues. So let's try the voiceovers. Well, not the voiceovers, the voices.